Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know that dry feet or cracked foot can be very embarrassing. Yeah, some people even get body shamed over it. Some people don't wear their desired footwears either because of the pains or they don't want to expose it to people and stuff like that. So don't worry, on today's video I'm going to show you how you can treat this with just few remedies at home. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So on this video, we'll be needing just two things. You can already be seeing it on your screen already, but I'm going to tell you the few benefits of these two ingredients on this your challenge, which is your cracked feet or a dried feet, which can be very embarrassing. So first of all, I want to be talking about first on the aloe vera. Yeah, I can't underestimate the effect of aloe vera on our skin. So on today's video, I want to show you what aloe vera can do to helping this your challenge. Aloe vera provides your skin with some enzymes here, and vitamin and amino acid that promotes your skin and get it repaired and regenerate it. Yeah, it also prevents infection. You know very well that when your feet get cracked, there will be openings and there could be infections here and there. So aloe vera prevents infection. It's also an exfoliant. Yeah, and it softens that area. Remember that your leg is cracked or is dry, so aloe vera softens it. And also aloe vera eats and gives you deep hydration. All right, because your skin gets to be rough, gets to be dry, so you need something that is going to moist it, so that the dryness will reduce. Now the next thing we are doing here is Vaseline. Vaseline is also a deep moisturizer. Yeah, it has healing properties, it prevents infections as well, it softens the tough skin, and is very affordable. It's also safe for sensitive skin. That some skins can be very sensitive, so these two things are very safe for your skin. All you just need here is get 2 spoons of aloe vera gel, get 1 tablespoon of Vaseline, mix them so well, get your container that has cover and put it inside there. Every night, please help me and apply it generously on that part, that your foot that got cracked. Help me and apply it. Do this for 1 month. Like, do this as if your life depends on it, and you come back to tell me the effects of it. All right, like I said, if this you found value in what we just said and it's the kind of content you always want, please do well to give this video a thumbs up. Turn on your notification bell if you've not. Please subscribe to my channel because this is what helps me to keep doing this. God bless you.